Mash up them plantains. Before I started recording, I had already boiled these. I put some olive oil, butter, vegetables, salt, and pepper to taste in the pan. Here's some Alfredo sauce so the consistency wouldn't be too dry. Made sure that was nicely cooked. Gonna butterfly a tiny little chicken breast here. I'm not a chef, never claimed to be, so I'm probably doing it wrong, but I don't think that came out too bad. We're gonna stuff this with the plantain mixture that we were just cooking. Here we go. Then you roll them up into these nice little rolls. Put some Alfredo sauce over them. Put them in the oven. Look at those juices. Put them in the oven for 425 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. I think that was a little too much, but they did not come out dry. They were very nicely cooked and the flavor was great. Look how beautiful that stuffing looks. I hope you try this out and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you for watching. Bye.